Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Now to prove this, firstly, suppose two triangles, triangle ABC, with this bisector AM and triangle XYZ here N. Let the two triangles be triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. Now, area of triangle ABC is given by AB into BC into AM. Suppose this is equation number 1. And area of triangle XYZ is 1/2 YZ into XN. Suppose this is equation number 2. Now, dividing 1 by 2, we get area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle XYZ equals to 1/2 BC into AM divided by 1/2 YZ into XN. So here it will be BC into AM divided by YZ into XN. Suppose this is equation number 3. Now, in triangle ABM and triangle XYN, angle B by angle M equals to angle Y, or we can take here angle B equals to angle Y by using, as this is angles of similar triangle, and angle M equals to angle N because both are 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ABM is similar to triangle XYN. So, their proportional sides, ratio of their proportional sides are equal, that is AB upon AM equals to XY upon XN. Suppose this is equation number 4. Now from 3 and 4 we can observe area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle XYZ equals to BC upon YZ into AM upon XN. So this is equals to BC upon YZ into, this is nothing but AB upon XY. Suppose this is equation number 5. So AB upon XY equals to BC upon YZ equals to AC upon XZ, as triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. So putting in equation number 5, we can write area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle XYZ equals to AB by XY into AB by XY, that is AB upon XY, its square. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle XYZ equals to AB upon XY its square, BC upon YZ its square, AC upon XZ its square. So here we proved that ratio of the areas of similar triangles is equals to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Hence proof.